Morning students, chapter 4 we are doing and chapter is already completed. Many numericals we had done. Now some exercise numerical for chapter number 4. First we are doing question number 4.20. Exercise question we are doing 4.20. For decomposition of azio isopropane to hexane and nitrogen at 543 Kelvin, following data are obtained. What is the formula for azio isopropane? It is CH3 twice, CH, N double bond N, CH, CH3 twice. This is azio isopropane. When it is heated, it gives hexane, C6H14 plus nitrogen. All are gas. Now one table is given at time 0. At time 0, pressure is given 35. In mm of mercury it is given 35. At time 360 seconds mache time, the pressure is given as 54. In 720, at 720 seconds it is given as 63. The question is calculate the rate constant. K we have to determine. कैसे करें? This is initial at time 0. The pressure is given as 35. So let initial pressure at time 0. 35 will be of azio isopropane and these two will be 0. Suppose left pressure at time 360 seconds. It is 35 minus x. This would be x and this would be x. These are the left pressure at time 360. Now at 360, what is the total pressure given? 54. So total pressure is pressure of azio isopropane plus x nitrogen plus x hexane, and this total pressure is given as 360. This x would be cancelled. So what is x? 360 minus 35. 54. Total pressure is given as 54. So 54 minus 35 will be 14 minus 5. So it is 9 and 19 mm. So x is 19 mm. If you put this x value here, then it is 35 minus 19. So left pressure for azio isopropane after 360 seconds will be 16 mm. Clear? Now we can find out K. What's the formula for calculating K? K is 2.303 by T log of initial pressure upon left pressure after time T. Not total, left pressure after time T. So K would be 2.303. What is time given? 360 seconds. Log of initial pressure was 35 and left is 16. 35 by 16. If you solve this, you will get the answer. Similarly, we can take this 720 seconds 63 and we can calculate the value of K. पहले आमाथी calculate कर लेवानो. This is first value of rate constant. आने divide कर जो log लेने પછી solve कर जो એટલે answer આવી જશે. Now in second case 720 ઉપર 63 જે છે એને કેવી રીતના solve કરવાનું? x આ લઈને solve કરો. Now it's 720 seconds. Total pressure is given as 63. So now 63 will be equals 35 minus x plus x plus x. So what is x? 63 minus 35. So it is 828 mm. Put this x value over here. So 35 minus 28 will give us 7 mm. So we can calculate the value of K by putting time as 760 instead of 360 to 720. So K would be 2.303 by 720 log of initial pressure 35 and final pressure is 7. So it is 7 5s are 35 log 5. Log 5 is 0.6990. Clear? Put up करजो log ની value પછી એને solve कर लेजो એટલે K rate constant ની value આવી જશે. Okay. Next question is all sums you have to do, because this chapter is important for numericals only. Numerical will be asked from this chapter. Last time 3 marks numerical was there. Now second question we will do, that is 4.10. 4.10. What is it? In a reaction between A and B, the initial rate was measured for different initial concentrations of A and B are given below. A का concentration दिया है, B का दिया है और rate दिया हुआ है, initial rate of reaction. It is 0.20 given, 0.30 given, and this is given as 5.07 10 to the power minus 5. Then 0.20, after that 0.10, and then 5.07 into 10 to the power minus 5. And the last 0.40, then it is 0.05 upon 1.43 10 to the power minus 4. 3 observations taken for A, B and C. We have to find the rate constant, K, and order of the reaction with respect to A and B. What are the order of reaction? How to solve this? See, let differential rate law for this reaction is rate equals K, concentration of A power X, B power Y. We don't know what is X and Y. We have to find order of reaction. Now put up these 3 observations in this equation. First we'll put these values. So rate की जगह पे place करो 5.07 10 to the power minus 5. That is equal to K. We don't know. We have to find what's concentration of A given 0.2. So 0.2 power X, 0.3 power Y. Similarly, for second observation, 5.07 10 to the power minus 5. That is equal to K, 0.20 power X, 0.10 power Y. For third value place करो 1.43 into 10 to the power minus 4 is equal to K. Concentration of A is 0.4 raised to power X, 0.05 raised to the power Y. Now by solving 2 equations simultaneously, we can find out the value of these are 3 equations. Now we will solve 2 equations simultaneously so that we can have the value of X and Y. How to solve? First we will divide first and second equation. So if we divide first and second equation, then it's 5.07 10 to the power minus 5 divided by 5.07 into 10 to the power minus 5. That is equal to K, 0.2 raised to power X and 0.3 raised to power Y. Here also 0.2 raised to power X and 0.1 raised to power Y. This would be cancelled, this cancelled, this cancelled. So this will become 3 raised to power Y is equal to 1. What it means? 1 we can write as 3 raised to power 0. Any number raised to power 0 is 1. Why we have taken 3? Because here the base is 3. So if you compare them, then Y equal to 0. So what is the order of reaction with respect to B? It is 0. Now, if you want to get the value of X, we have to divide another 2 equations. Either first or third or second or third. Suppose we divide equation second and third. These 2 equations we are dividing. First we will write third equation. It's 1.43 into 10 to the power minus 4 divided by 5.07 10 to the power minus 5. That is equal to K, 0.4 raised to power X, 0.5 raised to power Y upon 0.2 raised to power X and 0.1 raised to power Y. Here would be cancelled. This would become 14.3 divided by 5.07. If we take this up and then solve, y raised to power 0. Right now we calculated. Any number power 0 will become 1. So 1 thai jaise. This would become 2 raised to power x. 0.4 by 0.2, it's a 0.2 thai, 2 raised to power x. Now if we divide this, 5.07 and 14.3, then round about it would become 14.3 और 5.07 को डिवाइड करना है. Round about it will become 3. Suppose 5.07 is multiplied by 3, then it will become 21 and 15.21, and we are getting 14.3. So round about it will be same. So we can write it as 2. This would become 3. અને સોલ્વ કરવાનું તો log 3 સોલ્વ કરો જો એક્ઝેક્ટ ન મળતું હોય તો કેવી રીતના કરવાનું, પહેલા આને ડિવાઇડ કરી લેજો જે બી આવે, અથવા એવી રીતના log 14.3 minus log 5.07 that is equal to x log 2. यहाँ से देख के log का वैल्यू प्लेस करो, यहाँ से देख के log का वैल्यू प्लेस करो. 14.3 कितना log होगा, टेबल में से देख सकते हो आप लोग. 14 at 3 logarithm. So 14 at 3 would be 1553. So it's 1.1553 minus 0. This would be 50 at 7. Log of 50 at 7. What is log of 50 at 7? It is 7059. 7059. That is equal to x. Log 2 is 0.3013. Minus करो 0.70 1.1553 છે, આમાંથી 0.7059 માઇનસ કરવાનું, અને 4 9 4 અને 4 0.4494 0.4494 divided by this 3010. That will give you the value of x मળી જાય, y મળી ગયું, તો overall order of reaction can be calculated. Okay, next question we will solve. All questions are important. In boards only textbook exercise questions will be asked, so be thorough with all these numericals, all these theoretical questions. Clear? Next we are doing, that is 4.12. 4.12. One table is given. Reaction between A and B is first order with respect to A, zero order with respect to B. Then we have to fill the blank. Experiment 1, 2, 3, 4 given. 3, 4 given. Concentration of A given. Concentration of B given. And the rate of reaction given. What is concentration of A? 0.1, then blank. 0.4 and blank. Concentration of B are 0.1, 0.2, 0.4 and 0.2. Rate of reactions are given as 2 into 10 to the power minus 2, 4 into 10 to the power minus 2, then blank, and 2 into 10 to the power minus 2. It is given that order with respect to A is 1 and first order with respect to A and zero order with respect to B. First order with respect to A, zero order with respect to B. This is rate law given. We have to fill the blank. If you change the concentration of B, the rate will not change. But if you change the concentration of A, then rate will change proportionally. Directly proportional to the concentration of A. What it means? If you double the concentration of A, the rate will double. See? This is concentration of A. B तो constant છે, એની power 0 છે, એટલે એને વધારવા ઘટાડવાથી કાંઈ ફેર પડે નહીં. But if you see these two experiment 1 and 2, the rate double. So concentration of A will also double. So this concentration become 0.2. How can we say that it double? Because rate is directly proportional to the concentration of A. Now if we look at the second and third observation, here the concentration of A doubles, rate will also be double, so it will become 8 into 10 to the power minus 2, because they are directly proportional to each other. B ઉપર તો ડિપેન્ડ નહીં કરે કારણ કે B પાવર તો 0 છે. હવે આ બેમાં આને નામાં રેટ 1/4 થઈ ગઈ, તો આમાં કોન્સન્ટ્રેશન 1/4 થઈ જવું જોઈએ. So it will become 0.1. So With the help of intellectual, you can solve this type of question. They will ask in MCQs exam this type of question. Clear? Next we are doing question number 4.19. First order reaction take 40 minutes for 30% decomposition. What is half-life? First order reaction takes 40 minutes for 30% decomposition. Let initial concentration is 100. What is final concentration? It's 30% decomposed, so final will be left. And time for this change is given as 40 minutes. What is half-life? First we'll calculate value of K. It is first order, so it is 2.303 by T log of R naught by R. 2.303. What is T? 40. Log of R naught is 100 and R is 70. Well, आने solve कर लेवाना. 2.303 by 40 log of, divide करो 10 to 7, 7 4 is 28, 7 3 is 21, 14 at 3 જોવાનું log, પછી multiply કરીને કે મળી જાય log 14 at 3. log anti-log બે ટેબલ છે એટલે ડંકે જોવાનું 1553. So it will become 2.303 divided by 40 into 0.1553. This is the value of K. We have to determine half-life. We know half-life is 0.693 upon K. Put up the value of K. 0.693 divided by 2.303 into 1553 divided by 40. Take this 40 up. 693 into 40 upon 2.303, 0.1553. This is the answer. Unit will be minutes. Multiply કરીને જોઈ લેજો શું આન્સર આવે છે. Okay? Next sum. Next આપણે કરીએ, that is 4.17. During nuclear explosion, one of the product strontium with half-life 28.1 year. Half-life is given 28.1 years. From that we can calculate the value of K because it is first order reaction. 0.693 upon T half. So it is 0.693 upon 28.1. If you solve, then you will get the value of K. Here it was. Now it's telling that a child born at this time, the initial concentration of a strontium is given as 1 microgram. ये कह रहा है how much it will remain after 10 years and 60 years if it is not lost metabolically. Initial concentration of strontium is given as 1 microgram, that is 10 to the power minus 6 gram. We have to determine the left concentration at time when the child is 10-year-old, and second time we have to determine initial concentration will be 10 to the power minus 6 only. What is the left concentration when the child was 60 years? Child will be 60-year-old. Two sums we have to solve. Both the time we have to determine final concentration R. Apply first order rate equation formula. 2.303 by T 10 log of R naught by R 10 to the power minus 6 upon R. આમાંથી તમારે R મળી જાય તમને. કેવી રીતના મળે? તો K ની વેલ્યુ છે R, મૂકી દો અહીંયા. K ની વેલ્યુ અહીંયા મૂકી દઈ. 0.693 upon 28.1. This is the value of K. Cross multiply करो 10 upon 2.303. That is equal to log 10 to the power minus 6 upon concentration of R. इसको solve करके फिर आपको R का वैल्यू कैलकुलेट करना है. Same here. Instead of T60, instead of T10, we have to place 60 and then solve it for final concentration R. એમે solve થાય. આ બધું solve કર્યા પછી તમે anti-log લઈ લ્યો તો આ log cancel થઈ જાય. 10 to the power minus 6 upon concentration of R છે. Anti-log of this number, આ જે number આવે ને multiply કરવાથી એનો એન્ટીલોગ ગોતી લેવાનો 6.93 ડિવાઇડેડ બાય 2.303 28.1 જે બી નંબર આવે એનો એન્ટીલોગ ગોતી લેવાનો બસ પછી એને સોલ્વ કરી લેવાનું એટલે આ બેયમાં મળી જશે ફર્સ્ટ અને સેકન્ડ કેસ ક્લિયર one more numerical we will do and then rest of the numericals you have to solve. The question number 4.24. 4.24. Consider certain reaction A give products. K is 2 into 10 to the power minus 2 second inverse. 2 into 10 to the power minus 2 second inverse. Calculate concentration of A after 100 seconds if initial concentration is 1. Initial concentration is given 1. We have to determine final concentration after time 100 seconds. First order reaction chair formula place kar do. K equal to 2.303 by T log of R naught upon R. R naught is 1. R we have to determine. Time and K place kar diyo. K is 2 into 10 to the power minus 2. 2.303. Time is 100 seconds. Log 1 upon R. Multiply karo cross. Log 1 by R would be ये तो कैंसिल हो जाएगा 2 by 2.303 અને ડિવાઇડ કરીને એન્ટીલોગ લઈ લ્યો એટલે 1 upon r આવી જાય ઇન્વર્સ કરો એટલે r મળી જશે એને ઇન્વર્સ કરીએ એટલે આ ઇન્વર્સ થઈ જશે બરાબર એન્ટીલોગ ગોતીને બી કરી શકાય અને તમે ડિવાઇડ કરીને પછી એન્ટીલોગ ગોતી લ્યો એટલે 1 upon r મળી જશે so 1 upon r would be एंटीलॉग ऑफ 2 by 2.303 फिर r चाहिए तो 1 से डिवाइड कर दो जो भी एंटीलॉग आता है 2 upon 2.303 आंसर મળશે ક્લિયર ફાઇનલ કોન્સન્ટ્રેશન r મળશે આપણને એ મળશે અરાઉન્ડ અબાઉટ 0.135 મોલાર clear this is numericals of this chapter solve all the numericals and if you have any doubt then you can ask me next we will start with chapter number 5 that is surface chemistry